in which case you have the option to rerun all the jobs if you suspect it was just some kind of temporary issue that should now be resolved. And that brings us to the final workflow that I want to show you. This one exports data from the Cloud Firestore database to a storage bucket. However, that event is not tied to any specific event in the code. Instead, it happens on a schedule, which is defined with a cron job. This is really cool for any project because it makes it really easy and cheap to run arbitrary code in the background on a specific schedule. I also have workflows that generate daily reports and things like that. But you'll also notice that this particular workflow can also run on the workflow dispatch event. This allows you to manually trigger the workflow. You can do it directly on the browser, or I'd also recommend installing the GitHub CLI, which will allow you to trigger workflows there manually as well. The GitHub CLI is cool and will allow you to monitor things in production, but it's not a replacement for Act, the CLI tool we looked at earlier, which is more useful when you're doing the initial setup of workflows and testing them locally. To finish things off, I want to give you a bunch of examples of other workflows that you might want to set up for your projects. We've already looked at testing, but another thing you might want to do is automatically lint every pull request as well.